Guys, this is a recipe that I'm doing. I have my asparagus sitting over here with a little bit of butter and garlic on it. And this recipe, guys, I got off Pinterest. This is going to be, it's chicken breast, guys. And it is going to have spinach and Swiss cheese on it. That's what it's going to have. So when the chicken get all the way done, I'm going to put the spinach and Swiss cheese on there, and this is an amazing dish. I'm actually about to put the spinach in there and let it heat up a little bit because that's going to go on the chicken, but this is a delicious recipe. Wanted to share it, guys. Hey guys, here's my little healthy little lunch that I put together. So it's the chicken breast, and I grill the chicken breast with I use olive oil, guys. My asparagus with a little bit of garlic on it, and butter, and then I put the spinach on there, and then I melt the Swiss cheese. I got that recipe off Pinterest. You guys ought to try it. It is delicious. So I wanted to share this recipe. So it's the baked chicken breast, spinach with Swiss cheese, and asparagus, guys. I love it. Try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.